back, students. Today I will explain you a problem of 10 marks that was appeared in 2017 question paper. From the following particulars, prepare branch account showing profit and loss of the branch. So they have given us the various information: opening stock, goods sent to branch, sales, that is nothing but cash sales, expenses, that is salary and office expenses. Also they have given us closing stock could not be ascertained. Okay, they could not calculate the closing stock, but what they have said is it is known that the branch generally sells at cost plus 20%. So by using this information we can calculate the closing stock. The branch manager is entitled to a commission of 5%, okay, on the profit before charging such commission. So before you calculate the final profit, they will, before charging the commission, you have to calculate the profit and then you have to charge the commission of 5%. So we will work out the problem. So in the books of head office, we have to prepare branch account, okay, rupees and rupees. So we will go to the information one by one. We have first one is opening stock of 30,000. So we will write it as to balance brought down, that is nothing but branch stock 30,000. Okay, next we have goods sent to branch. So branch is receiving the goods, so two goods sent to branch. So what is the amount? It is of 90,000, so we can directly write it as 90,000. Next we have sales, that is nothing but cash sales of 1,20,000. So we have to write it in the credit side as by bank account cash sales 1,20,000. Okay, 1,20,000. Next we have expenses of salary and office expense. So when it is an expense, always we have to debit. So to bank account, it is salaries, office expense. So what is the amount of salary? 10,000. Office expenses 4,000. So 10,000, 4,000. Okay, now we need the closing stock. So by balance carried down, that is branch stock. So this has to be calculated. So we'll make a working note. What they have said: it is known that the branch generally sells at cost plus 20%. So how will we calculate? It is nothing but opening stock. Okay, what is the opening stock value? It is 30,000. Okay, 30,000. If you have any purchases, okay, it is opening stock, add purchase minus the closing stock, you will get the value of sales. Okay, closing stock, you will get the value of sales. So but now we do not have closing stock. Okay, we do not have closing stock, so we can calculate the value of sales. Okay, so how to calculate? Opening stock is given 30,000. They have said goods sent to branch, that is nothing but branch is purchasing goods from the head office of 90,000. So it is, we can add it, goods sent to branch 90,000. What is the total? 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1,20,000. So we can minus the sales. Okay, but they have said here it is sales at cost plus 20%. So sales at cost. Sales at cost. What is the value here? 1,20,000 into, they are selling at cost. Consider value of cost is 100. So it is 100 divided by sell cost plus 20%. So it is 120. Okay, they are selling at cost. We are taking the cost value divided by cost plus 20%. So it will be 100 plus 20, 120. So you will get 1 lakh. Okay, the final answer will be, when you minus sales from this value, you will get 20,000. 20. So this is the closing stock. Closing stock. So this will be written here, 20,000. Okay. Next, they have also said us to calculate, the branch manager is entitled to a commission on 5% on the profit before charging such commission. So first we have to calculate the profit. So when you total this, okay, here 1,20,000 plus 20,000 is 1,40,000. Okay, so when you total this, it is 30,000 plus 90,000, 10,000, 4,000. You will get 1,34,000, lesser than 1,40,000. 1 lakh. So when you minus this from 1,40,000, you will get 6,000. So we'll make a second working note, manager's commission. Manager's commission. So what is the profit before commission? Profit before commission. So what is the profit we calculated? We got 6,000. So 6,000. Okay. Now what is the percentage of commission that is to be charged? Percentage of commission, that is nothing but 5%. So how will you calculate? So commission payable, the commission is payable, that is 6,000, okay, into 5%. 6,000 into 5%, you will get 300. So you will get 300. So this 300 is what the branch manager receiving, something that is coming to the branch. So it is to managers commission, 300. So this is the first working note, this is the second working note. So for this working note also you have marks. So this is a 10 marks problem. Okay, after this you have to find the general profit and a loss. So total is already done. So it is 30,000 plus 90,000 plus 10,000, 4,000, 300. So we'll get 1,34,300, minus it from the total 1,40,000. We'll get 5,700. So this is the general profit. Okay, like this you have to calculate when they ask you manager's commission or closing stock. I hope you all understood the problem.